What's up, guys? Back in another video today. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a primitive pickaxe. It's not going to be stone or anything. That's a little hard for me. It's going to be wood. And so, you're going to take, this is a hard way. You could take a knife and kind of like do this. But I'm not going to be doing that. This is a little harder to do just out of the wild, but I'm going to be using a drill to do it. So I'm just going to be using a Milwaukee M18. And I'm going to drill a hole through here. So let me just... I was going the wrong way. This is harder than I thought. Okay, I'm gonna use a press drill just to get a little indent in it. And then I'll be back to show you the rest. So I didn't even need to put a bit in a drill press. I just pressed down so it like makes a little circle, but it doesn't go too deep. Then I'm gonna be using the Milwaukee drill. Oh, I know why it isn't working. Oh, you want to put your drill, if it has that, you want to put it on to 2, and then twist it. If it has like that little drill symbol, put it on that drill symbol. And then you want to make sure your hand's not near it, because then your hand will go bye-bye. But thank you guys. 2 people subscribed just in the past 3 days. So thank you extremely much for that. If you're watching my videos, it would mean a lot if you could subscribe. So I'm really glad 2 people decided to subscribe my channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a week or anything. I've locked off for a while. I just had a lot of things that I was doing. It helps if you can put it on something so that it actually gets some work in there. See? And I'm using a pretty big size. I think it's like 1/4 inch. Well, the size of the thing is 3 inches long, but it's not that big. You can probably tell. It's like 1/2 inch stick. Then, after I do that, you wait until that dries, because it's hot. But I don't need to wait till it dries. I'm just pop it up. Then, you're going to get a bigger size, like this. Big. It's pretty big. Then, we're going to put that in there. And I made this before, and it actually did pretty well. It broke because I was hitting a tree, but that's because I was hitting a tree, and it was only wood. But it digs in dirt pretty well, and it looks cool. Woo. It's a bit hard. And the reason I used the smaller one first was because I've tried going straight to the big size and it didn't work that well. So starting it out with the smaller hole helps. got it out. I'm gonna pop that drill bit out because I'm not using it. Usually I don't put a drill bit on unless I'm using it. Then, walnut wood is pretty good because it's strong, but you want to get like a splinter of wood like that. Like I could get a piece here, like probably this. Let me try hitting this with a wedge. It's pretty easy to find, just a piece of wood sitting on the ground that's big enough. But yeah, I'm gonna get a piece of splintered wood. Walnut's pretty good though, because it's strong and it doesn't tend to break. And then you're gonna stab it in as hard as you can. And then you're gonna take this big side, this is gonna be the sharp side, and you're gonna hit it. So now it keeps going more in. I'm gonna use a piece of stone. We're gonna start hitting it on the stone. Now it's breaking the stone, it's so hard. And so that's just making it stronger. Boom. Look at that. Now you can take a knife if you want, and you can make this end stronger. See? Oh yeah. And let's go out of this garage and I'll show you guys how strong this is when hitting. Oh shoot guys, a little bit light. So I'm gonna go in the shade before I start using this. Sorry guys, I don't really have a camera that stops the motion. Here, I'll show you guys the ground. Ooh, okay. See? It's getting it really good, and look, it didn't even go back a little. And I'm gonna make a little hole too. I can like hit the wood a little to make a hole. And it's not breaking, and I'm hitting a tree with a lot of force. And damn that, look at this, wow! Look at that. A tree just got wrecked to a wooden pickaxe that we made in less than 10 minutes. We made that in 6 minutes. Can you believe how incredibly easy that is? And look at that. A tree got smashed. So, hope you guys liked today's video. Nice and short. If you watched to the end, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. And remember, once I get 1,000 subscribers, you can go watch that video to find out what's actually gonna happen. But thanks guys for watching. Thanks for sticking to the end. And see you in the next one. Peace out.